Hello everyone. According to Chinese medicine, Oriental medicine, Taoism, the reasons why we get sick is because the accumulation of emotions in our organs. And there are five main organs in the body: the heart, the lungs, the liver, the stomach, and the kidneys. And when these organs accumulate emotions, particularly negative emotions, they start malfunction, they overheat, and they don't work properly. Hence, we get sick. So the idea with the healing sounds and other practices, Oriental practices, is basically to get rid of these negative emotions and replace them with positive ones so that we get better. And through exercise, through Tai Chi, through Qigong, we can help the body get rid of these emotions. Now, in this video, I'd like to show you one of the 6 healing sounds, the lung sound, to help the body release the pressure from the lungs. And as we know, the lungs are related to the large intestines. So we're releasing the pressure from the lungs and from the large intestines so that the heat goes away and the organs become more healthy. Now, how do we do this? Now, the lungs and large intestines are associated with a particular sound that vibrates to certain frequency and resonates with the organs. And it's the lung sound. We close the mouth slightly, putting the teeth together, and put the tongue against the teeth while we do the sound. I mean, imagine a pressure cooker and you're releasing the pressure by activating the valve, and the pressure goes out doing that sound. The heat goes out. Now the idea is, when we do this exercise, is that we're releasing that pressure, and while we do that, we're using the color of the lungs and the large intestine, white radiating color, that working with the sound push the emotions out. Any residual negative emotion which is there, we push it out while we do the sound, while we visualize color, the white color engulfing the organs, reaching every part of the organ and pushing any residual negative emotion out as we breathe out, send the emotion out to the universe to be recycled. So what will happen as we progress during the exercise is that we're replacing the negative emotion with positive one. And as we do that, the lungs will start feeling fresher. The large intestines will start feeling fresher and spongy and rejuvenated. And while we do the exercise, we communicate with these organs. We show our gratitude for the amazing work they do. I mean, in the case of the lungs, I mean, the 24/7 activity of, oxygenating the red blood cells, giving us energy to function properly throughout the day, and at the same time expelling the CO2, carbon dioxide, the toxic carbon dioxide from our body, so we feel fresh all the time, full of energy. In the case of the large intestines, the amazing job in the digestion system, getting rid of toxics and helping absorb the nutrients, the energy from the food we intake. So it's a communication process, an amazing communication process that we're doing through this exercise. We visualize in the organs, we try to spot any concentration of negative emotion in them, and as we locate those emotions, we push them out, and we replace them with the positive emotions. So what are the negative emotions? of the lungs. Okay, they are depression, sadness, grief. And we're replacing those negative emotions with courage, righteousness, positiveness, the feeling that there is light at the end of the tunnel and that everything is gonna be okay. So no reasons to be depressed, because at the end of the day everything will turn out okay. So that's the idea with the exercise, and it is really, really powerful. We need to, if we practice this daily, we only need to spend 10 minutes to do basically the whole 6 ceiling sounds. And it's the first one of them, the lungs. We need the lungs to survive. We can't stop breathing, because the moment we do that, that's the end of our physical existence. And the idea is that we're smiling to the lungs, we're smiling to the large intestines, we acknowledging the amazing work they do for us. We're feeling that gratitude towards them, because they're part of us. And as we do that, we expel the toxins out from our not just from our physical body, but once the lungs start to radiate with energy, they will expand and they will go beyond the physical body through to the astral, ethereal, spiritual body. And that gratitude they now feel, because they feel that we're working together as a whole human being, that will transmit out to all the bodies that we have as a large conscious entity that we are in the universe. Absolutely amazing. Okay, let me show you the exercise now. Thank you. Take a natural stance, feet shoulder width, nice and relaxed. Put your hands in front of your lungs. We're gonna use the hands as scanners, using the lago in the middle point of the palms to scan your lungs. Any feelings of depression, sadness, grief? Try to spot any negative emotion in the lungs. Breathe in, come in, push the emotions out, exhale. And push those emotions out to the universe, bringing them down to the soil to be recycled. Bring your palms back to the lungs. Scan the lungs and the large intestines, spotting residual negative emotions in there. Fill the lungs with white color, radiating beautiful white color, engulfing the lungs and the large intestines. Inhale, tummy. Expel those emotions out with a white color radiating out to the universe and down to earth to be recycled. Scan the lungs and large intestines. You notice they start feeling spongy. Smile to the lungs and large intestines. Show your gratitude. Feel them expand and radiate out. Inhale, tummy in. Exhale, tummy out. As you do the sound, release the pressure, release the heat out to the universe and down to earth to be recycled. Bring the pulse back to your lungs. Feel the lungs are radiating out. And feel the lungs and large intestine with positive emotions of courage. The feeling that everything is gonna be okay, and push out any residual negative emotions out. Feel the lungs, they feel healthier now. Smile to them. You appreciate the enormous amount of work they do, the lungs and the large intestines, to keep you going. Show your gratitude, communicate with them, relax and reflect on the experience you just had.